Good morning, students. Now we had finished up to lesson 15. We were to start with lesson 15, conjunctions. Conjunctions are, as I earlier told you, they are the joining words which join two or more sentences together, or two or more clauses in a sentence, right? Compound and complex sentences are impossible without conjunctions. So let us start with conjunctions now. Defining a conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words, groups of words or sentences. Examples: number one, the sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. Now the sun was shining, hot wind was blowing. These are two different sentences which are being joined by the word and, right? So and is the conjunction here. Then number two, there was a noise around me, but I was not disturbed. There was a noise around me, I was not disturbed, right? आप इधर although भी use कर सकते हो. Although there was a noise around me, I was not disturbed. So but and although are both conjunctions. Number three, rice and curry is a popular dish. Now rice is a popular dish, curry is a popular dish. Both are different sentences which are being joined by word and. So and is the conjunction here. In these sentences, the words printed in the bold letters are all conjunctions. In sentence 1, the conjunction as and has been used to join two sentences, right? As I told you, here two sentences: the sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. These two are joined by the conjunction and. The sun was shining, a hot wind was blowing. Similarly, in sentence 2 consists of two short sentences: there was a noise around me and I was not disturbed. But in sentence 3, the conjunction and has been used to join only two words, rice and curry. We cannot split this sentence into two shorter sentences, right? We have to make two different sentences of this sentence, then only it's possible. Kinds of conjunctions. Conjunctions are of two kinds basically: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions, right? So now let us study what are coordinating conjunctions. Underline the definitions. This one also, what is a conjunction, and this one also, coordinating conjunctions, what are they and how are they used. So write down the definitions. I don't have a pencil here, so I'm just instructing you. So underline it and write down the definitions. The types of conjunctions also you have to write: coordinating and subordinating. So let us move on to coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance is called a coordinating conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मीन्स ऑफ इक्वल रैंक, राइट? जो दोनों को इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस हो, ऐसे टू सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने में कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस यूज होते हैं. सेंटेंसेस 1 and 2 अबाउ and but are coordinating conjunctions, right? Both are equivalent. There was a noise around me and I was not disturbed. The sun was shining and hot wind was blowing. These are two equal ranked sentences which are being joined by the conjunctions and but, right? In sentences 1 and 2 above, and but are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are of four types. Further, coordinating conjunctions के और four types होते हैं. So let us study them. Coordinating conjunctions of addition. Addition मतलब जो दो points को वो add करके sentence में आपको उसका meaning देता है. That is called adding one statement or fact to another. And both, and as well as, no less than, not only but also, right? These are all coordinating conjunctions of addition. The weather was fine and the sea was calm. The weather was fine, the sea was calm. These are two equivalent statements which are being joined by and. The door was open and my things were lying scattered. The door was open and my things were scattered. My things were lying scattered, right? So these are two different sentences of equivalent rank and two different things are being joined. Now further, but and. She is both intelligent and hardworking. She is both intelligent and hardworking. She is intelligent, she is hardworking, both are equivalent, right? Then Neeraj gave me both books and notes. Neeraj gave me books, Neeraj gave me notes. दोनों दिया है नीरज ने. Okay. Then as well as he as well as his father is sincere. He is sincere, his father is also sincere, right? His father is also sincere. The captain as well as the crew has arrived. The captain has arrived, the crew has arrived. Both have arrived, and that is why we are joining it with as well as, right? दोनों को equal importance दे, ऐसा हमको conjunction चाहिए. So as well as is a kind of that conjunction. Now no less than, no less than his brother is guilty. His brother is guilty, he is equally guilty, right? So no less than, उसके brother से कुछ कम नहीं है, ऐसा हम लोग दिखाने के लिए no less than use करते हैं. I am no less grateful to your father than you. I am grateful to you, I am equally grateful to your father, right? दोनों को मैं equally grateful हूँ. I am grateful to you, I am equally grateful to your father. Now not only but also, ये भी नहीं but ये भी, दोनों साथ में statements अगर आपको mention करना है तो then you use not only but also. So it is, he was given not only a merit certificate but also a handsome scholarship. मतलब उसको दोनों चीज़ मिला, merit certificate भी मिला और एक handsome scholarship भी मिला, right? So दोनों चीज़ उसको मिली है. He was given a merit certificate, he was given a handsome scholarship. The train was not only late but also fully packed. मतलब train late भी थी और fully packed भी थी. Okay. Now coordinating conjunctions of contrast, expressing opposition or contrast between two statements, but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while and only. But को कहाँ कहाँ use करेंगे, that we'll see now. It is coordinating conjunction of contrast, right? Contrast मतलब क्या होता है, opposite दो चीज़ें अगर आपको express करनी है तो you use but, right? To contrast it. The train was fully packed but we got comfortable seats. The train was fully packed, we got comfortable seats. The earthquake was quite severe but the temple was not damaged. Right? Despite the earthquake was quite severe, the temple was not damaged. Still and yet, Premchand is quite rich. Still he is not contented. Premchand is quite rich, yet he is not contented. Premchand is quite rich, he is not contented. ये दोनों को उन्होंने join किया है, still या yet, दोनों use कर सकते हो आप यहाँ पर. Right? Both of them give the same meaning. I was angry, still I did not scold him. I was angry, yet I did not scold him. Nevertheless, nevertheless मतलब उसके बावजूद. Here we were very tired. Nevertheless, we continued the work. But मतलब क्या होता है, हम लोग बहुत थक गए थे. But still we continued the work, right? But can also be used here. But still, both can be used. Nevertheless is also a proper word. We were tired, but we continued the work. I am hard up. Nevertheless, I will give you some money. I am hard up मतलब मेरे पास भी बहुत I too am into financial trouble, but still I'll try to help you. That is it. Then whereas or while, wise men prefer virtue, fools prefer beauty. Wise men prefer virtue, fools prefer beauty. Whereas or while, right? That you can use it here. They are also contrasting things which are being expressed. Then rice needs plenty of water, whereas or while cotton needs black soil. Only I am all right, only I am tired. I am all right, I am tired. I could come, only I am busy. मतलब मैं आई होती but I am busy, only I am busy, इसलिए मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ. Okay, now moving on to coordinating conjunctions of choice. Choice मतलब जहाँ पे आपको option available है, that is called choice. So let us see how they are being used. Expressing a choice between two alternatives, or either or, neither nor, otherwise or else. These are being used to give choices when there are any two options available, तो उसको choice देने, उसमें दोनों में choice देने के लिए हम ये conjunctions को use करते हैं. So this one is or. You must apologize or you will be dismissed. अगर तुमने apologize नहीं किया तो तुमको dismiss करेंगे. You must apologize, you will be dismissed. ये दो sentences को और से join किया है. You must be bold or you will not be able to face the world. Right? You must be bold or you will not be able to face the world. Either or, either attend to your lesson or leave the class. Attend to your lesson, leave the class. Right? Either or, two options are given. Either ये करो या फिर चले जाओ. We can either walk down or take a bus. Either we can walk or we can take a bus. Neither nor. He is neither lazy nor careless. He is not lazy, he is not careless. दोनों है. Right? Lazy भी नहीं है और careless भी नहीं है. Then Kavita neither looks after the house nor takes up a job. Right? वो ना ही घर संभालती है और ना ही नौकरी करती है. Otherwise, else. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for the school. Hurry up, else you will be late for the school. Else and otherwise are being used for one type of statements for contrasting. Hurry up, you will be late for the school. Now coordinating conjunctions of reasoning. जहाँ reason देते हो आप, उसके लिए आप क्या use करते हो? One statement or fact inferred from another. For she will rise in life. For she is sincere and hardworking. जब वो sincere and hardworking है, so she will rise in life, right? And she will rise in life for she is hardworking and sincere. Let me take leave of you for I am getting late. अब मैं जाना चाहूँगी because I am getting late. Now talking about subordinating conjunctions, we have studied 4 types of coordinating conjunctions, right? Which were they? First was the coordinating conjunctions of addition, then it was of contrast. Contrast मतलब दो opposite चीज़ों को express करने के लिए contrast वाले use करते हैं, that is but, still, yet, nevertheless, उसको ऐसे सारे words use करते हैं. Then coordinating conjunctions of choice, जहाँ पे हमें choice देनी होती है, कोई भी 2 या 3 options में से आपको उनको, mostly it is 2 options only. When you have to go for choice, you use these types of conjunctions, that is or, either or, neither nor, otherwise. Right? And coordinating conjunctions of reasoning, when you have to give reason, you say for. Right? Moving on to subordinating conjunctions, underline these definitions. I don't have a pencil right now, so I'm just instructing you, write down all the definitions which are being given here. A conjunction used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called a subordinating conjunction. Subordinate मतलब जो दूसरे को help करता है, जो दूसरे को support करता है, that is called a subordinate thing, right? A person. So here subordinating conjunction is a word which is supporting the two statements, right? So let us study an example. Look at this sentence. We continue to work although we were getting late. In this sentence, although we were getting late is a subordinate clause, for it cannot stand on its own. We were getting late, right? It cannot stand its own. ये आगे का sentence होगा तो ही उसका meaning निकलता है. That is why it is called subordinating conjunction, stand on its own. Therefore, although is a subordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions may be classified according to their meaning. Subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clauses. Noun clauses जो आपको बताते हैं, noun clause कब होता है? When you ask a question what to the principal clause and you get the answer, that is a noun clause, right? Generally it is introduced by subordinating conjunction that. So let us study. She said that she was confident of her success. Are you sure that you have the right address? I am afraid that I will not be able to come. It appears that Mrs. Rana is in a bad mood. Right? So all these are introduced by that. They are the noun clauses, right? She said. What did she say? She was confident of her success. Are you sure? What are you sure about? That you have the right address, right? What question पूछोगे तो आपको ये आंसर में मिलता है. That is called the noun clause. I am afraid. Why? What for I am afraid? That I will not be able to come. It appears. What appears? That Mrs. Rana is in bad mood, right? So all these are noun clauses. Noun clauses को introduce करने के लिए we use that generally. So that is a subordinating conjunction. If or whether. She asked me if I had sufficient woolens for the winter. They wanted to know whether I could accept the proposal. She asked me. What did she ask me? If I had sufficient woolens for winter. They wanted to know what they wanted to know, whether I would accept the proposal. Now further, subordinating conjunctions introducing adverb clauses. जैसे noun clauses होते हैं वैसे adverb clauses, adjective clauses भी होते हैं, तो उनको introduce करने के लिए separate conjunctions use होते हैं. So let us study them. Time, जैसे कि time बताने के लिए subordinating conjunctions use होते हैं. They are when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while or as. When we felt thrilled when our football team won the zonals. Whenever I will give him your message whenever I see him. Before celebrations had begun, before the results were formally declared. After the gates were locked, after the guests had the gates were locked after the guests had left. Till father asked me to stay at home till he returned. Since she has not written to me since she left. जब से वो गई है तब से उसने मुझे लिखा नहीं है. She has not written me any letter or anything. As soon as, turn off the gas as soon as water starts boiling. ये हम लोग डेली जब कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं तो वी हैपन टू यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ कंजंक्शंस, बट ओनली थिंग इज वी डोंट नो दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन व्हाट सेंस. नाउ while he checked the accounts while I took a cup of tea. This is giving the reference of time. While he was checking the accounts, I was having a cup of tea. As I came across an old friend as I was walking to the school. Note, while suggests a certain duration of time. As a conjunction, it means during the time that for long, for as long as, at the time as.